Hello, friends. Welcome to another exciting episode of Peachy Fun Adventures. Today, we're going to learn all about a delicious and juicy fruit called peach. Are you ready to embark on this fruity adventure? Let's go. Look at this beautiful fruit. It's called a peach. Peaches come in different colors, like orange, yellow, and even a little red. Can you see the fuzzy skin on the peach? It's like a soft blanket for the fruit. Peaches grow on trees in special places called orchards. These trees need lots of sunshine and rain to grow big and strong. Farmers take good care of them so we can enjoy yummy peaches. Let's take a peek inside a peach. Wow, look at that! Inside, you'll find a big, round pit in the middle. That's the peach's seed. Around the seed, there's sweet and juicy fruit that we love to eat. Peaches taste so good. They are sweet and a little bit tangy. They're perfect for making yummy snacks, like peach slices or peach smoothies. Do you like peaches? Yum! Here are some fun facts about peaches. Number 1, peaches are rich in vitamins and are super healthy for you. Number 2, they are often used in pies, jams, and even ice creams. Number 3, you can eat peaches fresh or use them in recipes to make tasty treats. Now, it's time for some peachy fun. How about making a peachy craft or a peachy snack? You can even play a game where you pretend to be a peach tree reaching for the sun. That's it for today's Peachy Fun Adventures. We hope you enjoyed learning all about peaches. They are not only delicious but also full of good things for your body. So, the next time you see a peach, remember all the fun facts we've learned today. Thanks for joining us. See you on our next fruity adventure.